Lutuin na natin ang french fries at ang fish tofu. Fish tofu meat. Hindi ko ma-air fry kasi nag-air fry ako ng belly, lechon belly. This is the lechon roll that they deliver last night dito sa Lisandra group chat. It's only $2.60 and we eat the fries and the tofu something, french fries, and this is our walang rice. Ito yung in-order ko sa Lazada. Woohoo! Ang ganda. Mukhang sosyal. I love it, Lazada. I put up myself. You say nice mommy, good job. And we have sinampay outside. Looks ugly outside. Hindi ko pala linis yung window na yan. I mean, yung salamin. Sliding door na glass. Nakakot na yung basura, pero na daming basura dito. Tambak na 10 bags of trash bag. Tapos may mga box dyan, 80 bucks. Nakakot kagabi yung mga basura. Tapos humingi ng papasko, 250. Tapos naiwan pa pala nandini yung box ng TV, naiwanan pa yun. Hindi pa nahakot ng basura. Matagal na ulit ang basura dadating. Yan ang mga naglalaba pa ako. Madumi pa yung glass dito. What time is it? 1:25 na.
Spill the sauce right here. Mommy cleaned it. There was the drink. The drink. Remember the.
This is the time we can shop for our New Year's Eve. Huh, Daddy?
Yes, baby.
Oh, We've been here.
Yeah, that floor, but not here. I heard that. Thank you. Thank you for being good to us.
Do we should buy hammer in case we need it? Where is the bike? Where is Daddy?
He's like in front of you.
That I need to buy.
You get popsicles, right? You want popsicles, right? What else? You gotta get Pringles, right? Big David, you guys need Pringles. Don't knock anything down, okay? Go get Pringles.
Sweet wine, sweet lips, Moscato. What is that? Ito bang Moscato ay wine din?
Ako lang, white na. Pero mostly lang ito.
Hindi pa ako naka.
Sa atin yung blank.
Sweet ito ano? May sugar. Sige, yung walang sugar. Nasaan?
Ito po ang mga
Montes. Anong brand yan? Australia? Ha? I don't have the red wine. Go get. Same as what's this? Spain?
Yeah.
Or you like Maria Clara? And buy some peanuts too. I like the peanuts. Peanuts. This is the one I like. Cashew. Oh, finish na. Wala nang cashew. Whole cashew.
Nice. Get two of them, yes. You guys push that one, okay?
340, 360.
Okay?
Be careful with it, Kim. You know what to do, right?
Teka lang, I go get some onions. I need a white one. And red one. I need to pick the nice one. Baka bulok na yung mga food. Yeah. Teka lang, wait. I need to pick the good sibuyas. Kasi marami kasi akong gumamit ng sibuyas. Kaya gusto ko marami sibuyas. Ano pa? May listahan. Ang listahan ko ay nasira na. Kasi ang handa namin ay ham lang at saka whole chicken. I-air fryer ko. Go get some fruits.
I can't find them.
Okay.
Oranges. Nice oranges.
Sa fruits, vegetable, tapos cheese. Doon siguro ang ham. So we got one cheese, sharp cheddar, cheese triangle, and brie cheese. That's for our New Year's Eve.
Oh yeah.
What else? Mozzarella square one, you like?
You already got it. Yeah.
Which one?
You already got a lot of cheese.
I like 4 kind of cheese.
You have 4 kinds of cheese.
No, just only 3.
Grab one more.
This one.
Go get 2 of these back.
Sweet Ham Festival. Sweet ham. This one must be good. Yung square na ano, naghanap pa ng square.
Na ano?
Square na paper towel. It's right here. Is this the one? Oh no, this one is not. Sino? Meron din pala ditong school supply. Oh. Yun na lang ang kulang natin. Grocery run. Oh, they don't have it. Oh, this one. What the hell?
What do you mean?
You're supposed to buy the all, everything. You cannot go get one.
Yeah, there's another one.
No. I need a single one.
Like this one?
No, this here. It's here.
Oh, I think I saw.
Oh, this one right here.
Yeah, I saw some of that.
45.
I saw some.
This one is more cheaper.
Okay.
45 only.
Ito, nakita ko doon. Kala ko doon.
That's it. Let's go. This is for New Year's Eve. We got our main dish is ham and air fried chicken. I will put rosemary and some seasoning. I got here some potatoes. I will put potatoes. Roasted potatoes with roast chicken, air fried. I got some onions. Yan yung binili namin kanina sa All Homes. This is really my favorite. Himalayan salt and whole black pepper. Oh lala. Nagbili rin ako ng pang salad ko. Fruit salad na tadikoko, red and green. Ito lang ilalagay ko. Yan lang, tatlong yan. Konti lang naman. Ito sa ham. Panglagay sa ham. Nasaan pa yung ano? Ito palang cream. Yan. May pre kasi siyang spaghetti noodles. Isa lang ilalagay ko dito. Isa lang nitong maliit dito. Para hindi masyado matamis. Yan. Isa lang ilalagay ko. Tsaka isa din ang cream. Yan. Ito sa ham. Pag niluto ko yung ham. Nilagay ko muna sa freezer yung ham. Kasi December 30 lang naman ngayon. And then sprayan ko pa yan. Ito nga pala yung mga binili na ilalagay ko sa table. Ise-set up ko sa table. Apat din ito. Hindi na malaki ang binili ko kasi maliit lang naman yung table namin. Yung malalaking pinggan pang malakihang table yun. Tsaka ito sauce. In case may sauce yung chicken gravy kaya. Dito ko ilalagay yung roasted chicken na may mga gulay, potato. Dito naman yung ham, lalagyan ng pinya. Yun lang ang main dish, ham and chicken. Tapos dito ko ilalagay yung mga maglagay kami ng sliced fruits, cheese, 4 kind of cheese, and cracker. We forgot yung cracker. Nalimutan yung cracker. Yun ang nalimutan. Lalagay dito. Ham, cracker. Mag-slice dyan. Bibili na lang ako ng cracker doon kay Minerva. Tapos dito ko ilalagay yung fruits namin na pang New Year's Eve. Yung i-slice ko na yung mga fruits para hindi yung buong fruits. Yan yung mga binili. And then ang kalat. And then, ito pa yung red wine, Merlot, and then Chardonnay, white wine. Meron doong sweet lips na Moscato, matamis daw. Ito na lang Chardonnay and Merlot for New Year's. And then ito yung dati pa Primo red sparkling red grape drinks. Yan. Ito nga pala yung aming mixed nut. Ilalagay din namin sa cheese platter na may fruits tsaka cracker. Masarap tong nuts kasi pag nag-drink ka ng mga may drinks ka na white wine and red wine. This is the whole cashew. Favorite ko talaga to, masarap to. Tapos ito unsalted mixed nut. Tapos ito nga pala yung aming cheese na binili sa All Homes, All Day Supermarket. Ito, mag-slice ako nito, mozzarella. Tapos ito, brie. And ito, naka-slice na to, cheese triangle. Ilagay din natin yan sa sharp cheddar, yung lagay ng ating cheese platter na may cracker, na may fruits. Pang handa rin sa New Year's Eve. Ano pa ba? Andito na yung ham at saka chicken. Ang aking freezer na maliit, nagyayelo na naman. Nawala kasi yung takip na sira. Ayun lang, aming binili. Tapos may mga gulay pa ako. Magluto rin ako ng steam or buttered vegetable for tomorrow sa tinanggal nila yung bulok ko, cauliflower. Yan lang ang binili ko. Pang sa gulay naman yan. And dito yung mga fruits. Yung mga i-slice nating fruits. Ito kiwi. May ubas. Grapes. Ito yung peras. Tapos, dalawang klase ng apple. Yung parang red at Fuji. Fuji ba o Fiji? Yan lang. Yan yung carrots at kung matagal na to bulok na nga ata. Ito'y galing pa sa apartment
Tastes better than cat, I promise.
He's insane.
He's awesome.
The Mind Flayer, Chapter 8. Mind Flayer.
you.